Hello students, today we are going to study mathematics subject of class 3rd. Let's start with our first chapter, looking back, that is numeration and notation, that you all have already studied in class 2. Now, as you all know, all these buildings pillars are showing 100 blocks each. In each of the pillars, there are 100 blocks each. So, how many pillars are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means there are 4 hundreds because 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 means there are 4 hundreds. Next, in these pillars, there are 10 each blocks. Okay? 10 each. That's why 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is 5 tens. There are 5 tens. There are now single blocks. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Means you can see our numeral. The number should start from ones, then tens, then 100. Okay. Ones place you have to write 8 because there are 8 ones. There are 8 blocks now. So we have to write 8. Tens. How many tens are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 tens. You have to write 5 under tens. How many hundreds are there? There are 1, 2, 3 and 4 hundreds. You have to write 4 here. Means this will also show you the place value of a particular digit. What is the place value of 8 here? Ones. What is the place value of 5 here? Tens. What is the place value of 4 here? Hundreds. That's right. Now, let me tell you one thing. Here it is showing the same thing. 100, tens and ones. So, at ones place, what it is written? 3. At tens place, it is 4. And hundreds place, it is 2. That we call it 243. Written here also, it is standard form. Like this, if you write the number, this will be your standard form. This will called as standard form. How we will say it? 243 because 2 is it at hundreds place, 4 is at tens place and 3 is at ones place. So we say 243. This will be the standard form. Now, in the word form, how you will write? 243. Here it is written 243. So you have to write 243. Okay. Now, if we will see expanded form. Expanded form means you have to elaborate the number. Means 2 is at 100 place. So we will multiply it by 2. 4 is at tens place. We will multiply it by 10. And 3 is at ones place. We will multiply it by 1. What will come the answer? What will be the answer, say? Yes, 2 into 100, that is 200. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. And 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Means 200 plus 40 plus 3. This is your expanded form. You have learned 3 things, students. That is the place value, at which place which number is there, and how standard form is written, how word form we will write, and how we will expand a particular number. This is the way you expand the numbers. Now, let's switch on to our next page. That is our practice exercise. Okay. Now, fill in the blanks. Number 1 question, fill in the blanks. A part. Count the pillars. There are 8 pillars. That means one pillar contains hundreds. So, there are 8 hundreds. So, we will write here 8. How many pillars are there? 5. So, at tens place because one pillar contains 10. So, we will write here 5 tens. And how many single block is here? So, that's why we have to write 1. At ones place, we will write 1. Then, how we will say the number? 851. 1. At tens place 5 is there, so we will say 50. At 851. This is the numeral, this is the number actually, and the number name is 851. Okay. Similarly, students, you all have to do all these 3 questions also in your book and in the notebook. Okay. There is only one pillar, so there are only 100. There is only 100. So here you will write 1 because there are only one pillar. Contains 100 blocks. Here how many pillars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So each pillar contains 10. So 6 tens pillars are there. So you will write here 6. How many single blocks are there? There are 3 single blocks. So we will write here 3 at ones place. How we will say this number? 163. Like this you will say. You will write here standard form, that is numeral 163, and you will write the number name here. This will be your homework, student. In the book also you have to do, and in the notebook also. That's all for today. Thank you.